This is the restroom. I do the changing. They have an event. I guess they can all use the space. Yeah. Went to Florida. Let's see what they have over there. I think that's the community center over there. Yeah. Right over there. See if I can pull it up. Then the closer. See. That's the community center over there. Yeah. Look at the grass. Look at the surrounding. Look at the view. Look at the view. Isn't that awesome? This is truly a place that you would want to look at the water, look at the lake. So peaceful. Yeah. I guess I can walk across here. Wow. I guess I'm gonna be putting some music on just to stay fair. There goes the water. There goes it. Well, what can I say? I'm just saying, that I'm just thinking that with an atmosphere like this, surrounding like this, what if the entire world would have been as peaceful as this moment is, living in unity with each other, just understanding why we are on this earth, just understanding why people need each other, why bonding is important, why love is important, why it is important for us to care for each other. This surrounding is like telling us that this is an environment of peace. And so it should be with mankind, with humanity. We should want to live in peace. We should want to live in a tranquility state of mind where we can reason our misunderstanding. We don't have to be shouting. We can talk things out. We can operate in a state of mind that represent love, that represent peace, that represent joy, that represent happiness. A wholesomeness where we can communicate and commune with each other. It's not just going to church, it's a lifestyle that we should inhabit, that we should move forward to a lifestyle of understanding, less criticism, less You have the cliques and the groups, but just see each and every one as human. Let humanity strive in such a way that we can evolve into something new, something precious, something understanding. Just as this environment is having this peace of mind, mankind should be living in that wholesomeness of peace of mind. Even if you're hurting, your environment that you're in will help you to overcome that hurt, will soothe you, will listen to you, will encourages you not to let the distraction of life get you down. You know, music, listen to music that generate love, that generate peace. Well, sometimes we listen to some music and they are so horrible. They are some of them is so disgusting. Some music, they're just tearing down women, tearing down men, tearing down a lifestyle. But I remember in the 60s, they used to sing, you used to have the Skeezer Davis, the Nat King Cole, the Billy Graham, the Teddy Pendergrass, the gospel was so rich. The gospel was so peaceful. The gospel was so fulfilling. Lifestyle. Even listening to the secular music, you could turn it on and it would soothe you. But now when you listen to certain music, it is so hostile, so rough, so there's no peace. It's just a lot of negative descriptive about the songs and everybody is so selfish in everything. People used to care for each other. Your next door neighbor, they used to cook a meal and they used to say, give it to Miss Brown next door. Take this to Miss Brown. Miss Brown don't have to ask, Enough food would have been cooked, and then Miss Brown would have gotten a taste of your meal. She would have shared her meal with you. It was a community thing. Community used to raise the children. Now, who is raising our children? They don't even listen to the teachers anymore, no parents anymore, because we have evolved. Like we are the mechanic men. Work, work, work. We don't have any time for bedtime story, for sitting with the kids and eating supper together. Children raising themselves. Grandma is all by herself. She aged and she's by herself. No one is trying to take care of the elderly. And so we put them away in the homes. And the homes will take money, but they're really not taking care of them. And that's not life. And so the elderly is put away. We don't visit them. So we have to really think about a different lifestyle. A lifestyle that generates a utopia of peace. A utopia of love. A utopia of living in harmony with nature, harmony in the element, harmony, in our surrounding. That's a lifestyle that I would really love to see generate, to see establish. There goes a boat over there. To see establish. There goes a boat, and they're skiing. I think I asked a young lady, and she said they were practicing, teaching them how to ski. So that is how they're doing it in the lake. And that's the lake. Pulling someone, and they're holding on, and they're skiing away. Yeah. That's the training that they're doing there right now. So, bye-bye for now. Enjoy this little view of Winter Heaven. lake, park. This is a park that the people comes and relax. And so, here goes another one. Here goes another one. Pull in another one to the boat. There it goes. Teaching them how to ski. Yeah, look at that. Teaching them how to ski. Isn't that something? They're teaching them how to ski. Yeah. I don't think I would do that. Look at that water. I don't have alligators in that water. But that's good. That's very good. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that. Look at that. That is something. Wonderful. Wonderful. Wow. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in to Mamapray Walk By. Thanks. I like nature. I like it. I like the peace, the tranquility. And I hope this will make your day as you watch this video. It will let you relax and just mesmerize on a beautiful day. Just memorize. Just relax it. They're coming in again. Coming in. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Teaching them how to do. Here they come. Here they come. Teaching how to make a turn. Wow, right in the waves. Ooh, right in the waves. Right in the waves. He's gonna get picked up back. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. So this is it for now. Until my next video. Be blessed. Have a blessed day. May the blessing of the Lord continue to overshadow you, and may your day be blessed. Have a blessed day. God bless you. I don't know, this thing just shut me off like that. Huh.